Hello everyone. Basically, this is indirect assessment. For indirect assessment, basically we are giving to the student that survey questions for each courses. Suppose this course have a B and G, I, and J. They have criteria and each have some like a B1, B2, B3, B4. In this way, each having a questions. So after student will submit this survey, and then finally we conclude that suppose there are 4 students, and what what is the feedback from the students. So we just write like a, because there is a 5 answer, 1 2 3 4 5. So we just write if you take 5 for B1 it's okay, and another student is 5. In this way here we have to fill this criteria, and it's a feedback by the student for each student. After that, what we have to do for criteria B, we have to find that is the average. We have to add all for criteria B, like a B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, whatever the questions are there. And then finally, we have to add and divide it by the number of students. That is the average we have to find. So same thing we have to do for all criteria, and it's a sub outcomes. After that, we need to find the percentage. So how we can find the percentage? Basically, percentage we will find like this is an average divided by 5, because 5, why we are divided by the 5, because we have 5 answers are there. That's why we divide by 5 multiplied with the 100. Then we can get the percentage, and second one is the same thing like that. We divided by 5, we divided by 5, and finally what we have to do, overall percentage for criteria B. To finding the overall percentage, we have to add all and divided by the 5. Again we have all add all and divided by the that is a 4, 1 2 3 4, and then again we have to add all and divided by the 3, and again we have to add all and divided by the 3. So in this way we have to do that one, and we need to find the average, and this is the average we will use for the indirect assessment polar diagram basically. So this is a polar diagram for indirect assessment. Same thing as we draw in a direct assessment, we need to draw the indirect assessment polar diagram, and this is indirect assessment basically.